The A bar shape. So there are 4 main bar shapes in major and minor, and you've already learned 3 of them. The last one is the A bar shape, which looks like this. Middle finger, ring finger, and pinky on the same fret, and the index finger a whole step down. As you can see, this bar shape derives from the open A chord, which you normally would play like this. For this bar shape, we're using a different fingering and adding the index finger. This bar shape is considered to be the trickiest one of them all. We'll teach you the correct way of playing this shape, but also give you some alternatives. Whichever way you choose, one thing is for sure, you will nail this shape as well.